Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be giving you loan apps that don't require you to have a job. They don't require you to have anything. All you need to have is your ID card and be 18 years and above. And that's it. They don't even check CRB. They don't ask so many questions. So if you're a student, these are the best loan apps for you. And I've figured out loan apps that don't have a very high interest rate. And so without further ado, let's get into today's video. So the first loan app is Mike's loan app. This one is very good because it's a quick loan app. It gives you money instantly on the same day. But for this loan app, you have to be at least 20 years of age. But there is no other restriction. As long as you're 20 years of age and you have an ID card, then this is the best loan app for you. Another good thing with this loan app is that the interest rates are very, very low, 18%. And then you're given a limit of 91 days to repay back your loan. That is around 3 months. And also, depending on the amount of loan that you pick, you can also increase your limit, the payback limit, up to 365 days. I feel like this one is a very good loan app. Unless you have bad intentions of defaulting, you cannot default a loan that you've been given 90 days, like 3 months to repay back the loan. I feel like this one is so considerate because they give you enough time. Another good thing is that they can give you a loan of up to 5,000 shillings, but then now that is the maximum. If you want a lot of money, then this one is not a good loan app for you. Second loan app is Cashbora. This one is so good because it is not limited to anything. You don't need to have any profession. You don't need to have any job. They just ask you for your ID card. So you have to send a picture of your ID to prove that you're 18 years and above. And that's it. You get your loan instantly on the same day. As long as you have a phone and a phone number, then you get to give them your phone number and you're paid instantly. You're given the loan instantly. Another loan app that I like is Direct Cash. For Direct Cash, you don't also have to pay for anything. You know, some apps usually have registration fee, but for Direct Cash, there is no registration fee. Just register with them free of charge and then request for a loan. And it's so good because for the first time, you can even be given a loan of up to 1,500. And then now from there, your loan limit is going to increase depending on how you pay your loans on time. And you get your loan instantly on your phone. They don't even check for CRB or all those other things that most loan apps require you to do. Another loan app is iPesa. Now, for this one, you get to be given a loan of 500 if it's your first time. But the good thing with iPesa is that their interests are super low. 15%. I feel like 15% is so realistic. So if you want a loan with them, you're going to first have to register your line. And then depending with your history of paying back loans, they can give you a loan of up to 50,000. Most of these loan apps will treat you good if you pay back their loans on time, because imagine getting to be given a 50,000 loan. This is an amount that you can actually start a business with. So I feel like iPesa is also a good place. And then the good thing with them is that they give you 90 days to pay back their loans, which is a good thing. I feel like 90 days is also enough time, 3 months. And depending on the amount you take, because with time, if your loan limit increases, then you can even be given a loan of maybe 10,000. And they have a way that they give you a time limit of 365 days. I have not tried to take a big loan with them, so I don't know how this works, but once you register, you're going to know, because there are certain loans that they give you 365 days to pay back. That is a whole year. So imagine unakopa 50k na unapewa the whole year to repay back this 50k. I feel like they are very realistic. It's a good app. Another loan app is Haraka. Just like the name suggests, this one gives you loan instantly in your phone, like within no time. But now there's one red flag. I don't like the fact that their interest rate is so high. Imagine an interest of 23%. That is too much for me. But then if you want a quick loan, Haraka app is there for you. But the worst thing is that you repay this loan within 30 days. That is within 1 month. So if you're a defaulter, if you like defaulting, don't even try this one. And then now, the starting loan is 500. So they give you 500 bob to test you. If you repay back that 500 bob on time, your loan limit increases. But then for Haraka app, I think the maximum loan they can give you is 5,000, but you also have to repay that 5,000 within 30 days. So if you're looking for an app that will give you enough time or ample time, then Haraka is not one of those loan apps. But if you really want a quick loan, definitely you can try Haraka app. I feel like the choice of loan app you choose depends on the amount of time maybe and how quick you get this loan. Then we have Stawika loan app. This one, I think this loan app is for emergency purposes because it was started to give emergency loans. So if it is for emergency loans, definitely you know that it will give you a loan very quickly. Instantly, you get your money in your phone. And then they don't ask for so many things also when you're registering. You just give your phone number and that's it. You have to start with a 500 shillings loan so that you can also get tested. Most of these loan apps have to give you a small loan first, ndio waone kama utalipa ama utaenda tu, and then now with time your loan limit increases. This one is a very good app if you want fast money, but their interest is so high. It's just like Haraka app, but theirs is a bit lower because it is 21%. So imagine 21% loan interest, so much money. You can do your math. 21% times 500, it's so much money. So if you want a loan app that you won't have to pay back so much money, then Stawika is not the app for you. Another loan app is Berry app. For Berry app, they usually have a flexible time limit of paying your loan. So you can pay back the loan between maybe 0 to 90 days. It's your choice. You're the one who will choose. And the rate of that loan now will depend on the amount of time you take to pay that loan back. The rate is usually between 8% and 15%, but definitely if you pay that loan quickly or more fast, your interest will not be high. But I feel like their loan interest are still a bit low when you compare to other loan apps. So it's a very good app. It's good also because you don't need to have a job or anything. They just don't ask so much information. And then now to start with, they give you a loan of 500 shillings. But if you pay that loan back with time, you can increase your loan limit and it can increase up to 50k. So also this one is a good app if you want to invest maybe in future. They can give you a 50,000 loan and they give you 90 days to repay back that loan. 3 months is enough to repay a loan. And also if you take that amount of money and start a business, definitely within 3 months, 50k utakuwa umeraise. So it's a good app for students. You can start taking loans with it, and then of course if you keep on paying your loans with time, it's going to increase your loan limit, and maybe one day it can give you a good loan to start up maybe a business. And you know, right now to get an employment immediately after graduating is so hard. So you can start investing in this kind of loan apps. Whenever you want to get a loan, just use it so that with time utapewa loan kubwa. You can even start a business, help yourself before you can get a job, you know. Another loan app, I believe you guys have heard about it, is Zenka. I love Zenka because if you're a first timer, the loan has no interest. I don't know if they introduced an interest, so you guys can try Zenka. The first time you pick a loan, unairudisha tu, kama ni 500 unalipa tu 500. It's a good loan app, but with time now, your loan limit increases, because I feel like the first time you are only given a loan of 500 shillings. But then don't try to default with Zenka, because I think it usually adds people to CRB, if I'm not wrong. One bad thing about Zenka is that their interests are so high. I think it's up to 30%. This is the highest interest rate I've seen in a loan app. Super high. But then they give you 2 months to repay back that loan, so they give you enough time. 2 months is not that bad, because most loan apps will give you only 1 month. So I feel like Zenka is a good app, but if you like defaulting loans, don't even try Zenka, because utaingia tu CRB. But if you keep a good record with Zenka, your loan limit will increase also. And One good thing about them is that they also have the loans that they give you and you are required to repay back within 1 year. So if you have a good history with them, they will give you a lot of money, definitely, and give you a lot of time to repay back. 12 months, 1 year is enough to pay maybe a 50,000 loan, and you can start a business with it, you know. But one thing I don't like about those loan apps that give you a big duration of paying back that money is because you can forget. Ukute 12 months zimeisha hujawai lipa, but I think they have a plan such that they tell you to pay this amount of money every month. Maybe they can tell you to pay maybe 4K per month, and then within 1 year you've paid back your 50K. Yeah, in case you've tried this app, just comment down below. Another loan app is Tala. I highly recommend Tala when it comes to giving you loans instantly. And then the good thing with Tala is that they will ask you questions, and you don't need to have any occupation to get a Tala loan. Then they don't even need verification. So hata ukisema we ni nurse ama we ni teacher and you're a student, they won't need any verification. So Tala is very good if you want instant loans. I love Tala because they don't waste time. Wanakupea loan pap. And the interest rates of Tala, I think, is 16%, which is a little bit realistic because it's a loan app. Most loan apps actually range within there. This is not high. You can actually get realistic loans from Tala. I feel like I can recommend it because I've tried it so many times and they've never failed me. If you want an emergency loan, Tala is the app for you. And then they give you a duration of 2 months to repay back the loan. Also for Tala, for the first time, you're only given up to 500 shillings, but you can get even as low as to 50 bob if you want, but the limit maximum is 500 if it's your first time. So if you repay back that 500 on time, then they increase your loan limit now, and it can also increase up to 50K. So if you really are loyal to them and you pay your loans on time, then your loan limit keeps on increasing. So just make sure you are loyal if you don't want trouble. Another loan app is Easy. So Easy Loan is an app on Play Store, but it's available for those who have Equity Bank accounts only. But I felt I needed to talk about it because it has very low interest rates of between 2% to 10%, depending on the amount you pick and the duration you take to repay back this money. So if you have an equity account, I feel like Easy Loan app is the best for you because of the interest. You know, when you're picking a loan app, you have to look at the interest rates also. In case you've tried this one, if you have an equity line, just comment down below and review this app. And also the good thing is that they give loans even up to 1 million, but definitely if you don't have a job, they cannot give you that kind of amount. They will check your account and tell you how much you're eligible to get. So make use of this loan app if you have an equity account. And I feel there are so many loan apps for other banks too. Yeah, so in case you've used any of these loan apps that I've talked about, comment down below. In case you have any question whatsoever, ask me in the comment section. Definitely, I'm going to reply to you like I always do, guys. In case you've tried any of these apps, comment down below and review them because this is just my review. I believe many people have different opinions, so comment and tell us what you think. I know this video is informative, so don't forget to give it a like. And it will encourage me to do more videos on loan apps, okay? I feel like there are so many things you should consider before you choose a loan app to use. For example, the loan limit they give you, the amount of time you're required to pay back that loan, and the interest rate. Those three are the most important because some loan apps are so bad. They give you a very short time to pay back the loan, and then they start texting your relatives, your family, your friends, the whole society. So just make sure your choice of loan is good. The loan apps I give are the ones I feel will give you enough time to pay back the loan, and they will not be texting all your friends and family telling them you are a defaulter, you know. Those are the worst kind of loan apps ever. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Please just like this video, guys. Hoping you guys have enjoyed, hoping you've learned something, hoping it has benefited. If it has not, comment down below and tell me what you want me to do. Definitely your wish is my command, guys. That's it for today's video. Hoping to see you guys in the next video. So subscribe, eh? If you've not subscribed, do so, because we have to see you in the next video. That's it, guys. Until next time, hoping to see you guys next. Bye 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 bye.